And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my 7 diet tips for ADHD. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my video on the ADHD diet. I'll make sure to link it up right here where I go over the best and the worst foods to eat if you have ADHD. But today's video is going to focus more on diet tips that can benefit those who have ADHD. So tip number 1 is to eat balanced meals. So in most meals, you're definitely going to want to try to incorporate your different mixed veggies, whole grains, proteins, and your omega-3s. Tip number 2 is to schedule meal and snack times. Now this tip is especially important for children with ADHD because routines are really going to help them. Tip number 3 is don't skip any meals. You don't want to have any blood sugar crashes or to be snacking on a ton of junk food because you skipped a meal. Tip number 4 is to keep a ton of healthy foods on hand. Now this will make it super easy for you to go and grab a quick snack if you have these healthy foods already available for you. It's going to cut back on that junk food consumption like I talked about before. So fruits, veggies, and nuts are a really good option here. Tip number 5 is to talk to your doctor about taking multivitamin and multi-mineral supplements. So if you have ADHD or you know somebody that does, especially in children, there are picky eaters, or you can have nutrient deficiencies. So this is definitely going to be something that you're going to want to bring up to your doctor and ask about. Tip number 6, check all food labels and packaging. This is really going to help you avoid foods that are really high in sugar and have a ton of additives that you're going to want to stay away from. And finally, tip number 7 is to shop around the perimeter of your grocery store. Now, why would you do that? Now, typically the grocery store is going to put the foods that are minimally processed whole foods around the perimeter of the store, so definitely you're going to want to check that out. Well, those are my 7 tips for you guys. I hope you liked them and I hope you learned something new. If you did like them, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!